In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively take notes for your calendar events using Google Calendar and Google Keep. This will ensure that you never miss any important details during your meetings. So, let's get started. First, open Google Calendar on your desktop or mobile device. This tool is incredibly useful for managing your schedule and staying organized. With a few simple clicks, you can seamlessly integrate note-taking into your calendar events. Once you have Google Calendar open, locate the event for which you want to take notes. This could be a meeting, a workshop, or even a personal appointment. Simply click on the calendar event you have in mind. Doing so will open up a detailed view of the event, where you can see all the information about the meeting, like times, participants, and any other details that may have been included when you first created or accepted the invitation. Now, focus on the Keep icon, typically found on the right-hand side of your screen. For those who might be unfamiliar, Google Keep is a convenient application that allows you to take notes, create lists, and access them across multiple devices with ease. Click the Keep icon, and this will open up Google Keep directly within your calendar interface. From here, you can start jotting down all the notes you wish to take. It's a great idea to write down everything you think you might need, whether it's the agenda of the meeting, specific topics you want to discuss, or follow-up actions that spring to mind during your meeting. By ensuring you capture every important detail now, you'll save yourself from scrambling to remember it later. Once you've completed your note-taking, it's important to remember to click Done. This saves all the details you've written down securely. What's fantastic about Google Keep is the way it syncs your notes effortlessly. So whether you're checking from your computer, phone, or tablet, your notes will be readily accessible. Here's a fantastic feature that makes Google Keep particularly useful with Google Calendar events. Every time you open the Keep note associated with that specific event, a related notes section will automatically pop up on the right. This section will display your note related to the meeting, allowing you quick access to all the pertinent details whenever needed. This ensures that, at a glance, you can see what you discussed last time or prepare accordingly for the next meeting. And there you have it, a simple, seamless method of ensuring that you keep track of all relevant details associated with your calendar events. Thank you for watching. Remember, combining tools like Google Calendar and Google Keep can help you keep all your important event information organized and accessible, making your busy life just a little bit easier.